Okay folks, here it is. Welcome to the personal property tour for Spinnaker Cottage. It is 18 West Shore in St Monans. It's a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-reception townhouse right behind me right here. And upstairs there's a master ensuite. It is perfect. Beautiful landscape back garden and water features as well. Where am I? I'm sitting on the Fife. I'm on the Fife coastal path. Here it is right here as we go along, and we're overlooking the harbour itself. So here's St Monans Harbour. The sun is out. It is glistening off the water as we come round, and then all the way. So this is the Fife coastal path all the way round, runs along right along there. I'm going to talk about cafes, bistros and restaurants later on. This is the property itself, as you'll see. Over 3 levels, and as I said, the master ensuite is upstairs. It's got its own living room and bedroom and shower room as well. As soon as we go into the front door, you can see straight away the period of the property, probably early 1900s, late 1800s. As we walk in, it's all nicely modernised inside, but it keeps and retains a lot of some of the original features of the stonework of the property. So nice welcoming hall as we come in. We're going to go upstairs to begin with. Downstairs we've got the living room, we've got this is a wee surprise at the back of there, hold on for that. So we're going to pop upstairs and we'll see the bedrooms first. I love this rope balustrade that goes up here. Nice feature, in keeping with the area. Off to my left hand side straight away we've got the first bathroom. As I said, we've got a shower room upstairs ensuite. It's a nice beautiful bathroom. You've got that shower head attachment you can easily put up there if it's a shower you're looking for. And then as we walk into the first bedroom, you can see that original fireplace sitting in there. As we come round, a big walk-in wardrobe there. As we pan round, press over in the corner, and then you've got the windows overlooking the harbour. This is a sneak peek of what you're going to see at the top, because as you get higher and higher it gets better and better. Welcome to God's country, isn't it? Now for anybody that doesn't know the area, I'm going to talk about the area as well in a minute, towards the end, so hang on tight for that as well. Off to my left hand side again here in the middle of the property, got another big double bedroom. So you can see that because we've got a single bed there, and then we've got this big massive double bed with a single bed on top as well over there. So it's a huge size. Again, you've got that window overlooking the harbour itself. You've got a big walk-in storage cupboard there with a window to the rear, and then up into your master ensuite up here. Again, this rope balustrade as we go up. You've got the Velux windows to bring in the natural light. You can see that light teeming in through the window. It's going to be there all day more or less. It's beautiful. So you can see the living room up here. And you've got to your bedroom, and that feature wall to the rear. And the camera there, so plenty of space. And then we go over to the double bedroom here. Again, that feature wall to the rear, it's painted. You've got that window overlooking the harbour again. Cupboards either side for storage. So in here and in there, and then you've got your ensuite shower room. So real good size shower room, sink behind the door there, WC, and your shower enclosure with thermostatic shower in here. Let's look at it from a different angle. So we go round. There's double doors leading out into your living room area. Let's have a wee look at this window. Look at this. Now let me show you some of the places. There's the May Isle in the background there. Just over there. And then there's over at the beach there you can see. And then as we come round, we can see right dead centre here, if I can get that to focus, we can see the Bass Rock, just the outline of the Bass Rock there. And as we go around, you can catch Berwick Law, just about here. You can see Berwick Law as we go round. The sun's actually catching Berwick Law. It's just behind there. Just there. That's Berwick Law over there. So Berwick, and then you go around to Leith, and then you can just see the tip of Edinburgh over the water itself. But beautiful seas. You can see the harbour there as well. You can see the sea splashing over the wall there. The sea wall. Gorgeous, isn't it? Okay, let me just continue the tour and pop downstairs. We're going to go downstairs, we'll see everything downstairs, we'll go out the back garden, sneak peek. Look at that, look at the sun beating on the back there. And this is the time of year where the sun's at its lowest, so it's going to be on the back of there more or less all day. Okay. Now, off to my left hand side. I love this, because you can see the feature there, the original stone steps in the property itself. And off to the rear, that wee bit lit up to the rear there. So double doors leading into the sitting room. The sitting room's massive here actually. Two windows to the front. So it's got a huge amount of space. So you've got an office area if you want, or you could have it just as a wee study area, or you could extend your living room and your seating to be a lot bigger in the room, but it's a huge amount of space and activity space in here. As we go around, we've got this nice feature fireplace, gas fire in a log burner style with that sleeper over on the mantle itself. And just look at it at a different angle. You can see the sun teeming in the window there. Then off into the kitchen. I love this feature about the kitchen. This is what I said, hold on for this one. Because the great thing about the kitchen, it's actually got a seating area, a living room more or less, and then it goes right out there. So there's the living room area, and it's got patio doors going out to the rear courtyard there, so you can see the seats out there. So you can, if you're wanting to be a wee bit more seclusion and a wee bit more shielded from the elements, that's a perfect place to sit. Nice cup of coffee in the morning actually. So a nice seating area here. Then over to the rear there, you've got the dining table, so plenty of room there. You can see that seating 8 comfortably, so you could probably extend that probably to about 10, maybe even 12 at a push. And if you had it in here as well, you could have a huge dining table. This could be a real entertaining area. And then you can see the featured wall from the original property itself. So this is an extension of the rear. Many years ago this was done, but you can see that featured wall. It's lovely, isn't it? It's a nice Instagram moment. That's a perfect picture for Instagram, isn't it? Kind of like that. Look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it? That just paints a lot of pictures and a lot of ideas and creativity as well. So storage in the cupboard there. As we come round, you can see the vertical radiator. Now, what I love about the kitchen, it's got a lot of features here which are hidden quite well. Solid wood worktops. Belfast sink, integrated oven, hob and extractor over there. You come round here, you've got a fridge in here, and then you've also got your dishwasher over there as well. And then you go back into your laundry. So you've got your laundry off the rear. I'm going to give you a look at this just as we're coming out. Again, look at that. That's a beautiful picture, isn't it? So laundry off into the rear here. Again, this similar theme. You've got the solid wood worktops, you've got a preparation area over here, and then you have a washing machine integrated into here, you've got a tumble dryer integrated into here, you've got space for storage in that cupboard, and then you've also got an additional fridge here and a freezer here as well. Then nice bonus, got a WC. So WC down here, on the first floor you've got a bathroom, and on the second floor, the top floor itself, you've got an ensuite shower room. So WC in here, you can see there you've got a combi condenser boiler on the wall there. And then off into the rear garden. This rear garden is absolutely beautiful. Wait till you see all the features up here. So let me just get a look from here, and you know, for this time of year, beautiful blue skies. The sun seems to shine on the East Neuk most of the time, every single time. Even when it's raining, it shines on East Neuk. I'm going to let you see the rear of the property as we come out here. So you can see that massive extension that was done years ago off the original house itself. So to the side here, got a beautiful seating area under the pergola. There's the summer house, talk about that in a minute, and again another seating area over here, nice and secluded. Lovely sleepers at the steps, you can see them over there as well, just under that pergola there. Now storage in here, but this is all lined and double glazed, this sun house. Goes into this nice, features seating area with decking. But you've got this water feature. I'm going to stop there for a moment. Again, very tranquil, isn't it? And then into your summer house. Fantastic summer house. So power and lighting here. As I said, double glazed windows and doors. Nice and cosy. Perfect place to sit at this time of year and enjoy a barbecue. Yes, this is the time of year, according to Weber Barbecues, which I went on their course. They said in Scotland, it's probably the best weather in the world is Scotland in order to have a barbecue outside. And the best time of year to have a barbecue outside, according to Weber, is winter, because the moisture in the air is perfect for keeping the meat in a great condition and not drying it out. Let's walk on further through this beautiful landscape garden. Lovely, isn't it? Imagine sitting there and enjoying a cup of coffee. Wee glass of wine, glass of whiskey. These nice stone steps. Right, okay, so steps go out to the gate and then that can go up to the brae head, up to the path as well. So you've got access up to there. And then you've got steps going up to this area, which it says it's mainly sits in the sun all day long. Perfect seating area. Talk amongst yourselves. I'll just sit up here all day. You can see the sun over there, bursting through the clouds. It's going to put the white balance out a bit on here, so it's going to be a bit darker down here, but it's not. It's just the camera. You can see just over the rooftops there. So you've got partial sea view just over the rooftops there. I can see the Firth of Forth. I can see over to Leith in Edinburgh. On a great day and during New Year and celebrations and stuff like that, you'll see all the fireworks in Edinburgh over there. This is round about 11 o'clock. South facing is just about there, so the sun's going to come up over here, it's going to set on here all morning, all afternoon, all the way around. And then it's probably going to set over here somewhere, and that's the perfect place to take the opportunity and take advantage of the sun down there. So you're going to spend all day up here, if you're like me, and then you're going to just strategically manoeuvre it all the way down to the bottom of there before you go in at night. Spend the whole day in the garden, literally. You can see people have got that laid out perfectly over there as well. Okay, for people that don't know the area, let's talk about that. Okay, so if you don't know St Monans, let me tell you a few things about the area. Cafes, bistros and restaurants. In here you've got the East Pier Smokehouse. You've also got the Craig Miller restaurant, fine dining and restaurant. In the middle of the station road, you've got the Giddy Gannet and the guys in there. Up at the Barsholt Business Park, you've got the Muffin Man Snug Cafe, and then you've also got Salt Dining up there as well. Right across from the business park, you've got the local Premier shop. Next door to that, you've got the hairdressers as well. Walk-in Spice, the takeaway is on the main road. You've got a cracking, excellent local primary school. Across from there you've got the play park, and then you've got the open football fields, which is where the St Monans Swallows train. Now, if you're going back along the Fife coastal path, you'll see the beautiful windmill. So you've got from the salt pans that used to be here years ago, historic in history itself. You've got the salt pans, and then right next door to that, if open water swimming's your thing, you've got the St Monans tidal pool. Now, how close is this? Just along the other way to Ely and Earlsferry. You're only 3 miles down the road from Ely and Earlsferry, which is a historic village everybody visits during the summer seasons. So brilliant for that as well. Over the hill, you're 13 miles just outside St Andrews, so over the hill, easy access to St Andrews. So you've got a great local primary school here, let's talk about that, and then your high school is located just along at Anstruther. So again, if you want easy access into Anstruther, you can walk along the Fife coastal path, through Pitt and Weem, and then on to Anstruther itself for all the amenities. Your high school Ware Academy is there, which is one of the top performing high schools in Fife, and then all the other local amenities as well. Golf course over there as well. What more could you ask for? Welcome to God's country. This time of year, beautiful blue skies. It is always like this here. Every single time. Why do you think I love this place so much? There's more details on this post. You'll see the location footage as well. So we'll click on that and you'll see you'll see the location footage here. And it tells you all the area and marks it and how far it is from Edinburgh Airport as well. There's more details on this post about that. There's also the photographs and description, so you can click on the link above or below to get there. If you need to contact us, you can message us direct on this post, or you can call us on 01333 421 774. And until next time, guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.